We're camping again. Jaden has corn all over his face. Second day of camping after beach. We're gonna go to a flea market. Well, it's my second. We're gonna go to the flea market, and we're gonna go shopping. Then we're gonna go ice skating.
No, we're going swimming. No.
Ice skating.
Ice skating. Swimming.
Ice skating.
Swimming.
Ice skating.
Swimming.
Ice skating.
Swimming.
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 No, you're supposed to say ice skating. This is our little bed picnic. Jaden's short shorts. Puma. Oh yeah.
Gross.
Gross. Hi, Jet. You didn't wave at the camera. I already am.
Let's see what these were.
Look at those beautiful people. Good morning, Uncle Nudge.
Oh yeah. And there's and there's some three twins named Hubert, Harris, Hubert, Hubert Cumberdale.
This is the.
Harris, Hubert.
This is one. This is right here.
Harris, Hubert, and.
Stop going closer to me. Scoot back.
Wait.
I don't know what it is.
Harris, Hubert, and Hashit.
Who's that?
Ow! Ow!
From
Brave.
Brave.
Oh, three.
Yeah.
What's this?
A burp.
What's this? What's this? What's this?
Get your stuff.
Didn't do this to your nose.
Christina's so
Another-
she's so creepy.
Yeah, I'll shower later.
Alright, shower later. I'm showering later.
I know.
That's because your hair looks fine.
Leia's
She needs
butt.
shampoo.
Leia, shower later.
No.
Are you showering later or today?
I'm gonna shower.
Are you showering later or today? Later or today?
Hey, never mind.
Later.
Okay, me too.
Me too.
Still eating his corn.
What's up, Doc?
What's up, Doc?
Whatever.